Hi, monkey.
Look at this. Look at this. This.
What is that?
It's nice.
What is it?
It's for me.
What are you going to do with it?
Drive it. This is for the bears. He drives. Let me see the car.
Push the gas.
It might be in reverse.
Whoa. You got to change it to forward. Wait, okay, now push the gas.
Whoa! Where are you going?
Maya, look at
Where
mommy.
did that come from, Candace? How did that get here?
Maya, look at
Santa was here.
Maya, Santa brought that to you.
I love